With you, Katarina Mershon. In today's video, we will tie the relief pattern. Mini diamond pattern made with spokes. Only on face and wear loops. It's more of a male pattern. And like this on the inside out. Suitable for knitting sweaters. Means performed on the number of loops multiple of 4. Plus 1 loop for pattern symmetry and plus 2 edges. You can see on my website. So I scored 15 loops. Even pattern. One front one wear. In turn, knit the front and wear loops. Repeat front. Wear last 2 loops. Penultimate front and wear edge. Turn knitting always on the wrong side. First loop shoot. 1 wear 1 front. Wear facial. Keep knitting by drawing. Wear over wear until the end of the row. So wear and tear an edge also wear loop. Work turn. So third row, first loop remove. Next pattern report will be 1. Wear loop. Then 3 facial. Times 2 and 3. Repeat 1 wear. 3 facial times to 3. Keep knitting wear. 3 front to last 2 loops. Here is the symmetry loop wear. Edge also wear loop. Turn knitting. From the wrong side of the loop according to the pattern. So the symmetry loop is facial. Next pattern report 3 wear. Times to 3. 1 front repeat 3 wear. To 3. 1 front and once again I have 3 wear. 1 front sew and 1 loop is edge. Perform wear loop. Work turn. Next 5th row front side first loop remove. That is alternate 1 front. Wear. Since I knit with classic loops. Alternate front and sign until the end of our 5th row. Penultimate facial. Turn knitting. 6th row on the wrong side remove the first loop. Knit by pattern, wear facial. Wear facial. Alternate wear and face loop. Penultimate wear and edge also wear loop. So turn knitting. It means to remove the first loop. Then 1 wear. This is a report on 4 loops repeat to face ones. That is, in a row 3 face loops 1 wear. 1 facial and 3rd time to facial. Wear facial. Loop 7 3 front. Edge wear loop. Actually, now we shifted our drawing symmetrically. See, here the diamond is over and here the next one started. Work turn. Knit a loop of symmetry wear. Further drawing report. 1 wear 1 front. To wear repeat wear face. To wear. And sew until the end of the row. To wear edge at the end, also knit wear loop. That's sew ready. Turn knitting. It means you and I tied 8 rows. More will be seen the drawing itself. It means you start everything from the first row. Edge remove. Knit 1 front. 1 wear front. Wear and tear until the end of the row. In the end, we get here. It means this option I knitted from cotton. Here is such, everyone. Thank you very much for your attention, everyone.